Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So as we all desire a very beautiful glowing skin, but due to the pollution and our busy schedule these days, maintaining our skin is becoming very difficult. We do have options like facial, spa treatment, but again they are at the very expensive side and time taking too. But don't worry people, in today's video I'll be sharing with you 5 different types of ice cubes which will provide you the same results like facial at a very cheapest cost as well as at the comfort of your home. So this is something which I have been using from past 3 months now and I can see a noticeable difference on my skin. So if you are interested to know the benefits of ice cube and to know how to use it, then please watch this video till the end. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
So our first ice cube will be the potato ice cube, for which we will need one medium sized potato, honey and rose water. You just need to blend the potato very well. After that you just need to add 1 tablespoon of honey and 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water. And you will get the mixture somewhat like this. You just need to pour this mixture in your ice tray. Keep it at least for 5 to 6 hours in the fridge, or maybe you can keep it for overnight, and it's ready to use. Now let's talk about its benefits. So it will help in increasing our blood circulation, results in reducing the dark circles, acne marks, and also known for its natural bleaching properties, which will give you more radiant look. Coming to the second ice cube, it's our tomato ice cube, for which we will need 1 medium sized tomato, half a lemon, honey and rose water. Now just blend the tomato properly, add half a lemon juice into it, again the same quantity of honey and rose water, like 1 tablespoon honey and 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water. You will get a mixture somewhat like this. So tomato is something which is an incredible addition to your skincare routine, as it helps in exfoliating our skin, removes acne marks, it helps in reducing the wrinkles and clears our skin, and much more. Now our third ice cube will be the green tea ice cube, wherein we will only need 2 ingredients that are easily available in our kitchen. You will need any green tea of your choice and hot water. Put this tea bag into the hot water at least for 30 minutes so that the water will take all its goodness, and you can put it into the ice tray, let it freeze, and it's ready to use. Green tea ice cubes are something which will immediately refresh your tired looking skin. It heals the facial puffiness and removes the under eye bags, unclogs the clogged pores and soothes our skin. Now our fourth ice cube is very simple yet effective, that is our rice ice cube, for which we will need little bit of boiled rice and milk. Now crush the rice very well, mix it with the milk, and you will get a mixture like this. And just with these 2 simple ingredients, you will get the glow on your skin. As we all know, rice helps to brighten our skin as it's loaded with so many antioxidants. It helps to make our skin supple and soothes our skin. Milk will act as a good moisturizer over here, and that's why we are not using honey to this ice cube. Fifth ice cube is the turmeric ice cube, for which you will need 1 tablespoon of turmeric and around 1 cup of milk. Mix both the ingredients together and you will get this mixture. Turmeric has many benefits, but I will let you know some of those benefits. Like turmeric has a very good healing property which reduces the inflammation caused by acne, pimples or sunburn. It also contains antibacterial elements which will help reducing our acne to moisturize our skin.
Since our ice cubes are ready now. So let's see how to apply it. You just need to pop up 1 or 2 ice cube as per your ice tray. Since my ice tray is very small, so I use 2 ice cubes daily. So let me take green tea one. Here it is. So if your skin is sensitive, then you just need to put the ice cubes into a cotton cloth and then only apply it. Since I'm using this from past 3 months now, so I'm habituated to this. I'll use it directly on my face. So you just need to rub it gently on your face in circular motions. It will reduce all the puffiness around your eyes. Once you are done with applying it, keep it at least for 5 to 10 minutes so that all the goodness of whatever ingredient we use, your skin will absorb it. So after 5 to 10 minutes, you just wash it off with plain water. Let me wash it off and come back. So I have washed my face with plain water and just pat it dry with a tissue paper or a towel. You will instantly feel very refreshed, and to see a good difference you just need to use this at least for a week, and if you want to see the differences fast, then you can use it twice a day as well. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.